Hello guys, this is Mrs. Ponce de Leon. I'm your Algebra 1 teacher, and I want to talk to you a little bit about our calendar for the 6 weeks. I'm going to introduce a couple of words to you guys. You probably have heard them or you will hear them, but there's instruction that we call synchronous versus asynchronous. You guys, this video is for my face-to-face students, so it may not apply too much to you guys, but I want to go ahead and let you just give you a little bit of information that you're aware of this, okay? There are days that we call synchronous instruction, and synchronous means, in the math department, we have our synchronous days as Tuesdays and Thursdays, and what that means is for our virtual students, these are the days that they will be required to log into a Zoom call, okay? And those, we will have instruction via Zoom on those days, okay? Then these other thing that we call asynchronous days, okay? Then in the math department, our asynchronous days are Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, okay? So on asynchronous days, our students that are virtual will not be required to log into a Zoom call. They'll just log into Canvas and do whatever instruction is there for that particular day. So if there's a video, they'll watch that. If there's a homework assignment, they'll do that, okay? But so I wanted to go ahead and explain that to you guys in case you do hear it. For you face-to-face students, you will come in every day. You'll come in Monday through Friday, and you will get the instruction for those days in class, okay? So I just wanted to give you that information. This first 6 weeks calendars here, a day that we need to make note of is going to be this test day. So your first test in Algebra 1 will be on September the 10th, which is a Thursday. And kind of want to talk to you a little bit about this. We do have our synchronous days on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but if a test lands on, if we're given a test that particular week, then the math department has the option of adding what we call a flex day on Fridays. So this particular Friday, the teachers may choose to include this as a synchronous day where we will log in through Zoom with our friends that are on virtual instruction. But we will let you know ahead of time. Doesn't matter too much to you guys because y'all are going to be here regardless, but I just wanted to point that out to you guys that our synchronous days are Tuesdays and Thursdays for our virtual learners, with the option of that flexible Friday if we have a test on a synchronous day during that week. Okay, but for now, that's all you need to know. If you have any questions, please send me an email and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you so much and have a great day.